Angie Morgan with John Jones Real Estate here, and I'm so excited to tell you about a special event that I'm hosting. A neighborhood pop-up market and open house. You're all invited. We've got local vendors with a 4th of July connotation to their goodies and their merchandise. And I cannot wait for you to see what we have to offer. First, I'd like to tell you about Biscuits and Bows. It is an online baby boutique, and I am in love. Look at these beautiful baby clothes. I got our little boy, and we can't forget our little girl. My favorite, I'll need 2 of these. I am a Gigi of twins. Next, we have Rocky Bottom Farms. We have farm fresh eggs. We have handmade soaps, and we have this adorable bouquet of wildflowers. This is going to be the highlight of our show. Kandy Lux sells out wherever she goes. You have vintage and new Louis Vuitton purses, Chanel, and Fendi. I am in love with my favorite bakery, Bart's Kitchen and Bakery on the Square. Bart stands for Blessed and Ready to Serve. I like these people. Amazing cookies. My favorite is lemon. My husband loves the cowboy. I can't wait for you to come and try them all. Next, we have Tennessee Peach. This is all the craze, my friends. You have sashes that will go on your wreaths. You have bundles of ribbons and bows that are just gorgeous, but I hear bandanas are making a comeback. You can wear them on your body, you can put them on a beach bag, or don't forget your fur babies. How about my little JoJo looking all cute in her bandana? American Pie. Last but not least, Nobella Grace. She will be bringing us a rack of Judy Blues. You heard me correct. Judy Blues are so popular these days. Very breathable, stretching. The joggers will be going home with me. They also have the barrel style, and they have a couple pairs of shorts. Nobella Grace is located in the Painted Tree. All of this, and you get to tour a beautiful home that has quality, value, and convenience. What a great way to support your local businesses, meet your neighbors, and see how I serve my clients and my community. It is this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I hope all of you will come out. 2 to 4, Harvest Woods, that's located in North Rutherford County. I'll see you at 193 Knoxleigh Way.